I'm Anna and I'm a speech and language therapist who works with kids. And in this video, I'm going to show you an activity you can do with your kid if they're between the ages of about 4 and 5. And it's just a really simple activity, but one that works on some really important communication skills. So if you're an early years practitioner, you can find this activity in the I Can Chatting with Children pack. So this activity is one that works on your child's phonological awareness skills. And that's just a fancy way of saying it helps your child to recognise that words are made up of lots of separate sounds and helps them to differentiate between those different sounds. So this is a good activity if your child's maybe finding some sounds a bit tricky to say, because this just helps them to tune in and listen to all the sounds that make up those words that are tricky. In this activity, you're going to introduce the idea of rhyme to your child. So you're going to tell them that rhyming means when words sound nearly the same. And then you're going to want to give them lots of examples of what that means. So it could be cat and hat rhyme, or cat and sat rhyme, or cat, sat, rat and bat all rhyme. So try and think of as many words as you can that rhyme together and give them lots and lots of examples. So once you've exhausted yourself thinking of examples, then you can turn it round to your child and see if they can think of a rhyme for a word that you give them. So if they can't think of one straight off the top of their head, then you could give them some choices to choose from. So maybe you say, do house and mouse rhyme? Or do car and house rhyme? And see if they can guess correctly which one rhymes. So lots of children find rhyme a really tricky thing to get their head around. So don't be discouraged if they find it really hard to come up with rhymes. There's ways that you can support them to understand what rhyme means. And those are really simple things you can do, like singing nursery rhymes to them, or reading books that have rhymes in them, and just pointing out when the rhymes happen, saying, oh, fly and sky go together. And what if they find it really easy and they can think of a rhyme straight off the top of their head? In that case, you can make it a bit trickier for them by getting them to think of as many words as they can that rhyme with the given word. So you can accept real words or nonsense words here, as long as they rhyme, that's okay. All right, well, hope you enjoyed doing this activity with your child and let us know how you got on.